Morning, guys. It's a lovely Tuesday morning. Today is the 16th day of June 2026, and this is what we are looking at yesterday. This is the analysis we did yesterday. Let me enlarge it for you. We were looking for potential buys above this level here and potential sells below this level here. You see, there was this high and low. This was our support, this was our resistance, and this was our support here. So once the support is broken, our candle closed below our support here. There's this kind of broke with some good momentum, closed below our level here. It closed below our level here. So I had put my sell limit here, waiting for price to come and retest this level again and push the market down. But that never happened. Once we were activated, the market had no intention of coming down. Once we were activated, the market kept pushing up and up and up, and finally hit our stop loss. This was our stop loss here. This was my entry here, stop loss here, and then take profit all the way down here. Okay, so our stop loss was hit. That was our first trade of the day. On the second trade, we were looking for potential buys above here, and this was our confirmation. Once this candle closed above with some very good bullish momentum, you can see the size of the candle. This was our signal for a buy. Immediately it closed above here. I placed my buy limit here, my stop loss just below this structure here. This is my stop loss here. This is my entry, stop loss just below this structure here. Once you are activated, that was a risk to reward of 2.39. Once you are activated, price kept playing around here up until 315. 315 when the the New York market, the New York session. This was the open of the New York session. Once the New York session opened, there was this long wick here, almost hitting our stop loss. It didn't move our stop loss. Almost hit our stop loss. Missed it by a very few pips here. Almost hit our stop loss, but never. It was not hit. Then price pushed up, and finally our take profit was hit at 4:30 p.m. At 4:30 p.m. we had our profits, which recovered this loss, which covered this loss. Okay, this was the loss you had made, and then this profit covered the loss. Okay, so overall it was a win. That was a win on Monday. So far we have won how many? I'll confirm. Well, so far we have executed 8 trades. Out of the 8 trades that we have executed, uh, not 8, 9, 10. We have executed 10 trades. Out of the 10 trades that we have executed, we've won 7 trades and lost 3 trades. Okay. Out of the 10 trades executed, won 7, lost 3. Okay. Not 10, not 10. We've executed 11. 11 trades. Won 7, lost 3, then 1 closed at break even. Okay. So in total, 11 trades so far. 11 trades, won 7, lost 3, 1 closed at break even. That's our count. So real quick today, let's see what you expect. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday. We had The BOG policy rate, that is Bank of Japan, that was at 619. We had the AUD cash rate, that was around 7:30 a.m. And then we have uh, the Bank of Japan press conference. That is Tuesday. Nothing high impact on the USD today. Nothing to look out for unless we get some breaking news that could move the market. Let's see the latest breaking news. This is about the Bank of Japan, uh, the policy rates. Then we have Red Spark, the damage has been done. The Iran deal gets signed physically on Friday, but already apparently electronically signed. Okay, so these are the latest developments on Iran and the US. Iran has agreed to never have a nuclear weapon. That's what Trump said. Trump administration weighs 300 billion fund for Iran if accord is upheld. Uh, Reserve Bank of Australia, statement by the Monetary Policy Board. Okay. Prime Minister Netanyahu, Israel remains in security zones in Gaza and Syria. So these are the latest breaking news on the latest developments on Iran and the US. So nothing major to look out for unless we get some breaking news within the day. Okay. So today, let's see what we have. So that was it for yesterday. We made a first loss, we made a loss here, then made a profit here. So today, let's see, do a quick analysis. We remove everything here. Uh, Top-down analysis from the 1 month. From the 1 month to analysis of the day. That one has not changed in a very long time. The resistance is there. The support is down here. That is our support. And then we go down to the weekly. On the weekly, we have a swing high here. Then there's this structure inside here. There's this structure here, this internal structure here. So price will first react on this internal structure before we can get to this swing highs here. So these are support, these are resistance here. The support on the weekly, we'll have this candle that closed last week. That is our support. We go down to the daily. And on the daily, this was our high here. Once price came all the way down here, still our high. You see this candle tried to wake up yesterday. It was not able to break above. So our high is still here. We still have our high there on the daily. And our low is here. That's the support. On 4 hours, let's see what we are looking at on 4 hours. On 4 hours, we had this here, this internal. We're still in the same place we were yesterday. We had this support here, this internal structure, then the high is here. So here, we are going to move this one to the body. Move this one to the body there. And then this one to the body here. That's where we are within the 4 hours. If we could break above here, we could see the market pushing all the way up here. And if we break below here, you could see the market pushing to this level here, or up to this level here. Okay, so go down to 1 hour. On 1 hour, this is what we are looking at. On 1 hour, we had this break here. There was this structure that was broken here. We had a small pullback here. Then price pushed and broke above here. Then we had a shift. Once we had that shift here, let me enlarge it for you. We had this shift here, then a small pullback, and then market came all the way down here. So on 1 hour, this is what we are looking at. Allow me to move this one here. On 1 hour, that's the high we are looking at, and our low. Our 1 hour low is here, but we also had this structure here that was broken here. On 1 hour, we're still within this range here. Still the same place we were yesterday. So that's what we have on 1 hour. We dive down to 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, this is the 8:30 candle, 8 a.m. candle. On 30 minutes, we had this structure here. There's a break here. Then we have this low here. We had this low here. And then we had this resistance here. So this is the farthest we're going to take our analysis today. I don't want to jump down to 15 minutes, given that you are still in this, you have not broken from these levels here. This is where the price was playing at yesterday. You're still within that level, that range, and I wouldn't want to go down to 15 minutes. So this is where I would be taking my trade from. And there is this break above here. For the buys, I'd be looking for a buy above here. I'll be looking for a potential buy above here. Potential buys above. Potential buys above. Then here, this would be a potential sell, but a high risk one. So listen carefully. This is how I would trade this one. This is a high risk entry here. Safest entry is here. The safest entry is down here. So you could take the market from here if your risk appetite is very high. But for me, I'll be looking to take the market down from here. If we get a break below here, this is where I'll be looking to take a sell from, not within this range here. So let me just remove this one. Let me remove this one. Potential sales below. So if I If I get a sell, if I get a sell confirmation here, if the market meets the conditions I want to see, that is a break below this level here with some good bearish momentum, then I'll be looking to take this. I'll be looking to take this trade, push it all the way to these levels here. First is this level here. We have this other level here. And we have that level there. Is the farthest I'd be looking to take this trade. We could push it down to this level here to fill this. There's this gap here. This price inefficiency has to be filled at some point. So we could take this trade, looking to fill this gap here. Okay, and yeah, that's how I'd take that trade today. But always remember, trade what you see, not what you think. Risk management is always key. For the long position, if we get a good break above this level here, stop loss just around there, I'll be looking to take the market all the way up here to R. Let me look at what we have on the left. If we get a break above there, we have this level here. And this level here. So this is what we are looking at today. This is my trading plan for today. This is my idea. This is how I'll take the market today. If we get a good break above, we could push the market all the way up here. But remember, tomorrow is FOMC, so the market may not give us such a big move today in anticipation for tomorrow. Okay, so but this is what I would be looking to trade. If I get a buy, I don't want to push the market up to here. Take my profits here. If we get a good break above here, then you could push the market all the way up here. Okay, and if we get a sell, for the sell, I'd be looking to take a sell below this level. If we get a good a break below this level, a candle breaking with good bearish momentum, take the market from here, push it, take my profits first here. But if we get a good break above, if we have some good momentum, then I'll be pushing the market all the way down here, okay, or even up to this level. That's if we get some good bearish momentum to push the market down. So happy hunting, guys. See you tomorrow for a recap of the same. And trade what you see, not what you think. I'm out. Ciao.